Today's video tutorial is going to cover how to send us, Abram Interstate, your completed quote within ExpressRater. In this example, we are quoting a homeowner's policy. The process is exactly the same for an auto quote. If either Travelers or Safeco are your desired company, then you will start the process by clicking on the Select button to the left of the carrier name. This will bring the information into an application. You'll see here at the top of this application, please select your desired billing terms by clicking on Select. After selecting your desired billing terms, scroll to the top of the screen and hover your mouse over the Forms tab. Then select Company Application in the drop-down menu. This will bring us to another application screen. And on this application, please select the Print Preview Application button at the top of the screen. This will bring all the information into an Accord form. To send us this form electronically, please select Email Application. In the To button, type our apps, apps at abraminterstate.com email address. I highly recommend CCing yourself. And in the subject, I would highly recommend putting the named insured as the subject and or the address of the risk. You can attach files to this submission, so you can click here and you can choose your file. If it's a homeowner's file, you might have pictures of the property. For an auto, you may have pictures of the vehicle, you might have a picture of the odometer, you might have copies of oil change receipts for certified mileage program, which is with Travelers. Down here in the body of the email, you can write underwriting notes like target premium, or other pertinent information that might concern getting this policy bound. So you send it to us. We will run the reports and return you back a bindable quote. If you have any issues in this process, please contact your local assigned territory marketing representative or call our office at 916-780-7000. Again, 916-780-7000.